Hi, it's A. And you know, I've just been doing a little bit of oil pastel now. I know that the other day in school I was doing a bit of a demonstration, although I know also that it was really hard for you to see, and because of COVID regulations I couldn't really let you get close up. So what I'm doing now here is a little bit of this portrait. Okay, now this here part has been a wee bit more finished than this bottom area here. So I know in class I demonstrated more of the block colour and how to get the swirls and how to get the different layers of colour in. But for this example here, I'm showing you how to get the more liney texture of this piece of artwork. So I'm going to start by using several different colours. So the colours that are going into this one are light green, light blue, dark blue and white. These are the colours I've used the most. I've also been using some of this turquoise and also a little bit of the peach and the light yellow, okay? Now, you can actually see all of these colours if you look really closely at this piece of artwork, especially in the swirly lines, these ones, okay? So what I've basically started by doing, and if you look here at the bottom, you can see it more clearly, is I've just started following the lines of the swirls and adding in some colours. Now in the finished end, or the nearly finished end, you can see these are more blended in. On this particular design I haven't been blending with my finger. I've actually been using the light blue and the white oil pastels to actually blend the colours together, and that gets a more finished effect and also keeps your hands a wee bit cleaner. So I'm going to pause the video and do a little bit more of this, and then I'll come back and show you a wee bit more. Okay, now in the next video you're going to see what I do is I take a wee minute with a bit of kitchen roll and I just blend it in. I can blend it so much with the oil pastel, and the oil pastel really helps when you blend with it if you are trying to get the same direction of brush strokes as you can tell the painters used. Now I first of all do a wee bit of blending with that, and then you're going to see that I add more layers after this. That's because I feel like the brush stroke direction is not portrayed enough in my first couple of layers. So I do another layer to ensure that you can tell that I have taken into account that the way the artist has done it. So I'm going to show you now the finished version, and then I'll allow you to watch how the last bit worked out. So this here is the finished version, okay? And you can see the direction of the brush strokes. It's hard to see in this light, the detail, but you can also see the layers of colour that have went into that. So you have green, blue, white, peach, turquoise, light blue, dark blue as well, and a little bit of green. So even although that doesn't look like there are that many colours, you can see the importance of using layers. If we compare it, okay, you can see that although the artist uses paint, you can see the comparisons between the two, and you can see the mix of colours. If I was to do this again, I think I would do a little more white, although it's hard on the sugar paper to see the white. So this is my final version.